Control structure. Objectives. Discuss the three basic programming structures. Distinguish learning structures from the rational structure. Distinguish rational structure from loop structure. Discuss relational operators. Discuss next relational structure. Explain it in details the difference between controlled loop and infinite loop. Three basic structures. Flowchart are essential tools in problem solving and programming, providing a visual representation of an algorithm logic. Almost all flowcharts are composed of three fundamental structures: learning, relational selection, and loop. Their structures must be carefully combined to ensure efficient program execution. This report discusses each structure, their interdependencies, and how they contribute to structured program. Ang mga flowchart sa pagsulbad sa problema o sa programming tungod kay kini naghatag og visual nga representation sa logic sa isa ka algorithm. The three basic structures: linear structure. The linear structure in the most basic types of flow in a flowchart and consists of a sequence of steps that are executed one after another without any branching of repetition. This structure is commonly used in simple process where no decisions or loop are required. Ang linear structure nagpasabot og direct nga sunod-sunod nga instructions. Ang kada step sa process ginahimo siya og sequence. Flow charting the linear structure, adding two numbers. Understanding the problem. The problem requires us to design a flowchart that accepts two numbers as input, add them together, and display the result. Since there is no decision making, selection, or repetition looping, there is a purely linear structure. Flowchart step. Start. Indicate the beginning of process. Input first number. The user enters the first number. Input second number. The user enters the second number. Compute the sum and the two numbers together. Display the result. Show the sum on the screen. And mark the completion of the process. Flowchart repetition. Muna siya example sa flowchart. Start. Take number 1, num2, and then average num1 plus num2 equal to print average and end. Understanding initialization and variables in flowcharting. Before creating the flowchart, we must first initialize and assign variable to store values. This is necessary because a computer cannot assume where to store data unless we explicitly define it. Variable declaration. In this problem, we need three variables. AN stores the first number entered the user. B store the second number entered by the user. Sn store the sum of A and B. Linear recursive steps. A linear construct is designed for single pass processing, meaning it follow a straight platform start to finish. However, if we need to perform the same processing twice, we can still use the linear structure, but must simply repeat the step within the flowchart. Sa dili paghimo sa flowchart, kinahanglan nga mabutang og mga variable aron mapuno sa mga values. Extending the linear structure for two passes. To illustrate, let's modify the original flowchart which add two numbers to perform the same process twice before ending. Flowchart. Step 4 two pass processing. Number 1 start. Number 2 declare variables A and B is. Number 3 input A first number. Number 4 input B second number. Number 5 compute S equal A plus B. Display is first sum. Repeat step 3 to 6 from a second pair of numbers. Number 8 end. Linear structure in relation to loop structure. In the previous example, we manually repeat the step to process 2 rounds in input and computation. Well, this worked for a small number of with hundreds of thousands of similar operation. This is where the loop structure become essential. Atong manual nga gibalik-balik ang step sa pagkuha o pag-compute sa input kini mahimong effective sa gamay nga process. Limitation of a purely linear structure. Manual repetition of step leads to redundancy and a longer flowchart. If changes are needed, we must update each repeat step individually, making maintenance difficult. Scalability in poor for longer inputs. The flowchart becomes too large and complex. Number 2, relational selection structure. The relational structure, also known as the selection structure, introduces decision making in a flowchart. Okay. Ang relational structure nga mga decision o pagpili based sa condition gamiton kung ang programming na ay duha o daghang posibleng agianan based sa isa ka sitwasyon. The role of the diamond symbol in flowchart. The diamond shape represent a decision point. Inside the diamond, a logical condition. Example: A greater than B is evaluated based on the result. If true, the flow proceed along one path. If false, the flow takes an alternative path. Example, checking if a number is positive or negative. Flowchart step. Number 1, start. Number 2, declare variable n. 3, input n. 4, check if n greater than 0, decision point. If true, display the number is positive. If false, display the number is negative. Number 5, and mo siya example sa flowchart step. Why relation structure is important? Allow dynamic decision making instead of following a fixed sequence. Prevent unnecessary execution of code by guiding the flow based of conditions. Use in if-else statement, switch case, and other selection mechanics in programming. Loop structure. The loop structure allows a process to be repeated multiple times until a condition is met. It ensures that certain tasks are executed repeatedly without manually writing multiple instructions. Loops are commonly used in counting, data processing, and automation. Ang loop structure napasabot nga pagbalik-balik sa isa ka process hangtod matuman ang isa ka kondisyon. Kini gamiton sa mga sitwasyon kung kinahanglan ipatuman ang isa ka buhatonon. There are two types of loops. Entry controlled loop. Example, while for loop. The conditional is checked before entering the loop. Exit control loop. Example, do while loop. The condition is checked after executing the loop body at least once. The relationship between loop and relational structure. Loop depend on relational structures to decide when to continue or exit. The relational structure evaluates a condition inside a diamond-shaped decision symbols. If the condition is true, the loop repeats the process. If the condition is false, the loop determines and moves to the next. Interconnection of the tree structure. To make flowchart truly effective, their tree structure must be combined properly. The linear structure ensures the equal flow of instructions. The horizontal structure makes decision and direct the flow. The loop structure enables repetition but relies on relation condition for control. Thank you.